Hi everyone, today let's solve a question called swap nodes in pairs. So given linked list, we want to swap every two adjacent node and retain its head. Let me show you how it works with example 1. So example 1 here we have 4 nodes. The first pair consists of 1, 2, we swap the node will become 2, 1, right? And then we see the second pair is this 3 and 4. Swap 3 and 4, we get 4 and 3. And finally we connect the, let's use different color. Connect the first pair is 2, 1 with second pair is 4, 2, 3, and it will become 2, 1, and 4, 3. Okay, I think the description of this problem is quite straightforward. Now let's think about how to solve the code. So if you watch my previous English video, you understand, okay, I will put the code on the left side and use graph drawing on the other side to help you understand. So let's put this main function on this side. I hope you can see it, the entire function. And let's put the code on the other side. Okay, so just scroll down. Let's say we have the 4 nodes. Reduce example 1. 1 connected to 2, right? And then 3 and 4. The first thing we have to consider is that dummy node and the pre and head. So let's say use different color. The dummy node and the pre before the head. And after you will check the corner cases, but here we have finals, so no need to check these corner cases. We can directly run the code. So run the code first thing to set first it head. So see, this one is first, okay. And while first and first to next do this, we found okay, first is 1, first to next 2. So this connection is satisfied and want to run the while loop, right? The first thing we want to do is save the first to next is second. So this one is first to next, so this one is second. And after this, want to initialize next first, which is second or next. So this one is next first. Let's use n first. Okay. And you see, the next thing you want to do is set second or next to the first, right? So pin this out and set second or next to first. And first to next should be next first. So pin this out. Connect first to next first. Okay. And after that, I want to set pre to next to second. But here you see pre is none. So we just skip this line. Okay. Now I want to move pre to first and first to next first. So just clean this out. Clean this out, right? So we are moving pre to here and first to here. Okay. Now we want to see it first and first to next. Do this. We see first is 3, first to next is 4. So we want continue to run this while loop, right? And first thing to say first to next is to second. So second is here. Second is here. And I change the previous second out. And next first should be a second or next. We see second or next no, so we just ignore this line. And next we want to set second's next point to first. So just connect this one to first, right? And first to next should be next first. But here next first now, so first to next should also be now. So just smooth it out. And after this, we want to set pre to next equal to second. You see pre is here, right? And second is here. So connect this line to this line. So bring the previous connection and connect this one to this one. Okay, now finish that. I want to continue move the pre and the first. So take it out, take this out. We know the pre shouldn't be moved to first, right? And first used to be moved to next, but here next first is a none, so first also none. Okay, now finish the entire change. Let's rewrite the linked list in nice form. You see the linked list are beginning with 2. And then we have 1, then we have 4. And finally we end with 3, right? And this one is correct order swap pairs. So let me double check. You see the first pair 1, 2, so swap it to this 2, 1. And the next pair the original 3, 4. And swap is 4 and 3 and connect these two swap pair. Okay. Now the results correct. Let's submit the code so it works. Okay, you see the time capacity method used in this solution is not bad, right? Although coding code is a bit long, I think the logic is easy to understand with my graphical explanation. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.